So this is question 2. I'm asking you to list all possible rational zeros of this function and then determine which, if any, are actual zeros. So we know, because this is a cubic, that there is a potential of 3 real zeros. And we know, based on what we did in class, that we can find the potential zeros by looking at the constant at the end and looking at the leading coefficient at the beginning. So if you start with the constant, over here I've taken the 6 and I've written all of the factors of 6. So 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. And then over here is where I put all of the factors of the leading coefficient, which is the 4. 1, 2, and 4 are the factors. And then we know, based on what we did in class, that we can find all of the potential ones by writing all of the ratios of P to Q. So I'll start the list and then you can complete it. So starting with this first P, I could say my first one is 1 over 1. My next is 1 over 2. So 1 over 1 is 1. 1 over 2 is a half. And the next one would be 1 over 4. And so I'm going to stop there and let you finish. So I found all of the values of 1 over each of these Q values. You need to continue on with using the P value of 2, 3, and 6. And then to find your real zeros, all I would do is get a quick look at this function, whether you're using Desmos or your graphing calculator. You could search through the table, or really, to find zeros, it's just where your x-intercepts are. So just use your eyes to find some x-intercepts. And for this question, you need to enter one of them.